can you see this? All right, that's fine. Yeah, I've started. Yes, please. Good. So let me just, so we'll log in. So you haven't yet received access to log in yet. So you said today. So today I'll give you access. So I'll go to website list. Here we are. So WP admin. Okay, so this is the back end. One online. So if you go this way, we have our website here. Good. So now that we are here, so today what we'll be doing is we'll install a theme. Yes, the theme is the structure or the appearance of the website. That's the theme. It is a framework. Sometimes you will not see it initially when you install it. You will not see it very well because you won't feel it much until you install the template. And by the moment there is theme, this theme, you see this blog about facts, that's frequently asked questions, then authors, then event, the arrangement of the website. Then we have 2025 here. That's a theme. Then the design with WordPress. You see where it is. When you come to up here, you have the blog, and you have the website name here. That is a particular theme structure. But mostly, yeah, this is a subdomain. Yes. So what we are going to do is to install a new theme. We install a new theme to give us a structure of the website. So, and the theme really guides. It's like a skeleton frame that gives the frame of the website. Are we together? Hello, are we together? Good. Yeah. Okay. So to do that, you go to appearance here on the dashboard. You click on appearance. So these are the themes. So these are themes. So if you go to the website here, you scroll and you realize it's 2025. It's just a theme name. Every year it will keep on updating with the current year name. So that is that particular theme, 2025. So is this theme that is there? So there is another one here, 2024. These are 2023. But we don't want any of them. We want to install a new one. And to install a new one, we come to add theme. You click on add theme. Then when you click on add theme, you come here and click on and look for Astra. You see this? Yeah. Yes, over there. So if you can also have a theme from somebody that is not from here, okay? Maybe it's already downloaded and it will be in a zip file form. If you have something like that, you just come to upload theme. Yeah, as it like you can also use a team you already have. Maybe you see somebody's website and the website is nice, you like the structure, you ask them the type of team they are using, then they say this is the team name. Maybe they have a zip. I think okay. Is it okay? Is it okay now? I hear me now. Can you hear me? Okay. So I'll say you could see somebody's website and you like their team. You ask them, and maybe they have a zip file of the team. Okay. Hello. Can you hear that? Good. Okay. So in case there is something like that, you come to upload team instead of just search it through here. So if you have something like that, you come to upload team, then you choose the file here from your computer. But then we don't have any team like that, so we go to install and add new team. So you come to the search teams here and search for Astra. So when you search for Astra, you see it here. Good. So you click on install. You click on install. It's installing. So when you finish installing, we activate it. We install the team. You see it's installed here. It was installed when the network broke. So it's now done installing. So when you finish installing the team, you click on activate to take over from this one. It has not taken over yet. So when you click on activate, so now you see this one is now activated. It's now on board. So it has displayed this one. Please, can you hear me? Yes. Okay, so when you install this one, you don't need to have plenty teams here. You can leave them, but then the best thing is to delete all of them away. Yeah, so you just click on this and scroll down. This thing is covering it. You can see delete here. You delete it away. Then the next one, click on it and delete it. And this one, you click on it, you delete it. So that is the only team left. So if you come back to this one, now you see the way it is structured. When we refresh, good. You see what happens now? Good. So the team has changed. Yeah, so that is it. That is the Astra team. You see what I was saying? You may not realize it until you install a template. You see, there was the website name was here, then there was some list here and another list here. Good. And there was something down here. The thing down here was even at the right hand side here. So that was the structure of the 2025 team. But this one, you can now see copyright at 2025 Warm account online. Good. Powered by Astra team. So by the time we finish designing the website, you will not see powered by Astra again. You will see something like this. You see down here, copyright at 2025 discounted hosting web hosting. It will be powered by the website name. And this makes it very official. So everything is powered by your website, not just a team. So that is what we will have when we are done with this. So after installing the team and having the frame of the website, you now go back into your dashboard again. Okay. You now go back into your dashboard again, click on appearance, appearance place, you go down to here. You see plugins. Yes. I'm going to click on add plugin. So you click on add plugin. This one here, you realize you can easily close this in a way. You can easily close it. Close this. You see there are two faces here. There is a screen here. It's like an advert. It's like an advert. So you can just click here to close it. Click the time button and it's closed. You see it's gone. So this is where we come and we add plugins. So a plugin is like a mobile app, okay? When you have a phone, you can install different applications on it so that they can do other things for you. So that is what a plugin is. A plugin is like a mobile application. So when you install a plugin, you can install a plugin to pay money. You can install a plugin to be capturing data of the website. You can install a plugin to do different things. So a plugin, it extends. We say plugins is an application that extend the functionality of the website. It make it have more functions. Good. So when you come to adding plugin, you come here and search for starter templates. Starter templates, like this one name is here. You will not see it because you will not see this one because very good. So I just select it, or you just type it, starter templates, then it will come. So when you click on starter template, you see the first one here, this one, starter templates, AI powered templates for Elementor and Gutenberg. So this one with this logo, it is made by Brainstorm Force. This company, they made it Brainstorm Force. So with that, you click on install. So you click on install. It is installed. After installing, you activate it. Good. So you have clicked on starter templates and activated it. So I just come here. It will still carry the same thing. So these are already plugins. You know, when we're about to install, they were asking us some few questions before we install the WordPress, whether we want some few things to be there. So hosting your tools was there. They are all templates. So after you install starter templates, you come back to your plugins. You can now see plugins here. Then inside, when you click on plugins, now we are not adding new plugin again. We just come, click on the plugins. And here you see the starter template we installed here, starter template. So you click get started, you click on get started. Good. So these are the starter templates. You see, this same thing we're seeing when we're about to install WordPress. You can remember. So these are all started. There are plenty here. There are plenty. Very good. Are you okay? Okay. So you realize that if you come, you can see this one. There is premium on it. Yeah. So there are premium ones and they are free. Most of them are free, but they also have a lot of the premium ones. So the premium ones you have to pay before you can use it. It's already a structured, a design side. You can if you like it, just pay and then you use it, and then you change the information to your own website. But if you don't, if you like, you can still use a free one. Mostly I just use the free ones. For any company, use the free one, and you still have the ability to design the website the way you want it. Yes, and customize it the way you want it. Yes. So I just scroll up to. They are different. Each premium is just like different people are selling their different production on an online store. So yeah, so they all have their own prices. So like this, you can use this, you can use this, you can use this, any of them. You can use any of them. But when you come to the top here, you can see different niches here. We have business websites here. So if you come to business, under business, we have agency, we have restaurant, we have hotel, we have construction. You see how good it is to use starter templates? So yes, so every industry is having a particular set of teams. You choose from one of them. If it is a local business, you have electrician, you have plumber, you have AC technician, roofing services, courier delivery, movers, and a lot of them. A lot of cleaning services, transport, catering, and car garage. There are a lot of them. Then when it comes to personal care, if you are doing a salon store, a beauty shop, a fitness shop, yoga, a lot. Then when it comes to professionals, finance, maybe you are an accountant, a lawyer, a coach, whatever you want to do, an interior designer, web designer. See, if you want to be doing web design as a service, you can do it here. Then personal site, that's your CV. Most companies, I encountered a lot with Canadians. If you want to have a quality CV or a quality application portfolio, yes, you can create a website, and the website will carry your information, videos, photos, a lot of things, and that is your portfolio. So sometimes when you apply for some job somewhere, they don't ask for your CV, they ask for your portfolio. So just give them the email or the domain to your portfolio website. Then they go through there and told that they can just hire you or give you a job. So that is for portfolio website. You have artist, then author and musician, a lot of things. Let me see this artist. I'm about to build a website for one artist, so I decided to just open here and see. So this person is an artist. Okay. You see that there are different one of the so you are in personal. Okay. Let me see. So where are we? Interior designer, web designer, finance, personal care, salon, beauty, fitness, yoga. Okay. So it falls between beauty and fitness. Salon. Okay. So this one is a paid one. This one is a free one. This one is a okay, is there. When it comes to professionals, you see web designer. Yes. Yeah, so when you come here, business, you see agency. So if you click on agency, so with agency you will see those things here. This agency, digital agency, this marketing agency, this roofing agency. You see something like this. This marketing agency. Good. Digital agency. Yes. So that is how they get. So this event management agency. Good. Advertising agency. You see that? So let's go to beauty or salon. Beauty. So you select beauty. Then after selecting beauty, you see here all. So from the all, you can either select only the premium one to show, or the all is still show. Good. Then we also have popular and latest, but it doesn't matter. If you're new, you can leave it so that you can just scroll to pick one of them. So which one do you like? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, you can always change the theme colors. Yeah, you can always change the colors. Besides that, this one is premium, so we have to pay if we want to use it. Yeah. Okay. So what about the last one here? The colors are somehow a bit similar. Yes. So from there, there are others here. A lot of premium over there. So you can, we can use this one. Salon. So salon is, but you click on it. After clicking on it, it will open this way. So we are waiting for it to load up. So this is how the website will look like. Good. So this is the home page. You can see that's the home page. When you come to about page, this is how it will be like. But then mostly that is the the layout of it, but you can structure it the way you want it. A lot of things. In fact, whatever you choose, you can always customize it to whatever you want. Okay. Yes. So when you have gone through these different pages and that is what you like. You see, you can also change the colors here as we were talking about it. You can change the colors over here. You can change the color here. You see the color of the theme color is changing small. It has changed again. It has changed again. You see that? And even after here, when you go inside the website to design it, you can still change more colors over it. Good. So when you have gone through it and you like it, then you click on continue. Click on continue. So page builder, yes, you want the page builder. Drag and drop page where you want it. Contact form, yes. E-commerce, we are not interested. It's not an e-commerce site. We are not installing e-commerce. Then SEO and search visibility, yes, it's fine. Then mostly they will select the one we like. You can add more, yeah. You can always add more. Connect your website visit for free. So this is live chat something. Like that bot, when you go to your website, that automatic robot that is there. So through that live, yes, good. You can. Yeah, so it depends on the type, the one you are using. There is one of them, like my own website. If you come to, let me see, E-digitech app. This is my website. So if you come to my website, the one I am using there is not just the bot, but I've connected it. You see it here. Good. So you see. Yes. So the moment somebody come here and click on it and they want to chat me, it will come to my WhatsApp straight. Chat. WhatsApp chat. Sorry. Yeah. So this one is different. This is a different plugin altogether. But the one here is just the live chatbot. So this one you go and set it up. So So this one is not a live chat bot like the one I am having that will connect you to WhatsApp. This one, you set it up like an AI. So when the person chats, first message, this one will go. When this type of message comes, this content will go. You automate it. Good. Very good. Yeah. Yes. That is it. Yeah. So what they do is that they will give it to you like this for free, and the free one will be the automated version. But if you really want the message to be able to come to you live, so you can have a real-time lifetime, then you have to pay to update it. I mean to upgrade. Yes. Most of them that's what they do. Yeah. So mostly it's not necessary, but if you want it, you put it inside. Yeah, the one I'm using is not being paid for. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So that is it. So from here we can skip it, we can add it. So for now let's skip it. If one we can add it later on through a different plugin. So when you have selected, click on continue. So tell us a little bit about yourself. Let me use. Am I right? Good. Please give me your email. Okay, then you're an aspect. Yes, it will be good. Then I'll put it inside here. So I am let me do it beginner for you, okay? I am building website for myself or my company, okay? So when you get it, this is what you do. Then you go, I understand. So they are going as part of the admin informations. And the person building the website, you are the administrator. That's the information they're asking you. So after selecting all these ones, then click on submit and build my website. Click on that and it will start. So it's installing that template, the one we selected. Okay. Yeah, there are steps. You can see what happened. Thank you. So they are giving us a congratulations. So now, if we come back to our website, you see it's still blank here. So if I click on refresh, boom, it has come. Yes, that's good. And now you can see what is happening down here. Look at it down here. This side, I mean. That is it. Yes. So that is it. So it's now powered by you, the administrator. So this way, nobody knows what you used to build it until the person is good enough. We have a way of, any website I go, if I want to check whether it is my WordPress they used to build it, I'll be able to detect. You can detect until the person knows how to detect. Yes. No, they don't know it's hosting. They only is the CMS. The CMS is the CMS. That's the content management system. Good. So that is WordPress. So they can only detect is WordPress, but they can detect the the hosting platform until they are able to tell. And I have another way of finding. There is, so any domain that is linking to a website, I can detect where that person is hosting that domain from. Yeah. So that is another way. Yeah, so every domain at all, I can detect, okay, this domain, they hosted on this, on either on GoDaddy or Namecheap or Hostinger or HostGator, anywhere they host it. Yes. I'll give you access and link to those things, so you can always check. Yeah. So this is my own website. Okay. Yes. So if you hover over it, the color changes. I intentionally let it so. So this is drop down. So if I hover here, it changes color. If I hover here, it changes color. If I hover here, it changes color. If you come here, it changes color. But I can change everything to white, so it can just stand out. Yeah, but sometimes you see, yeah, included submenus. Yeah, that one you can just build it as a blogging page. So my submenus, like digital marketing, if you click on it, it will open to a page I wrote about digital marketing. It's a separate page altogether. You see what I did there? I know. Okay, so these are pages and inside one website. So these are all pages. So on this website, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. I have 7 pages on the website. That's it. All this content, yes. So this is the home page. This is the about page. If I come to about page, you see my about us. Good. So you see whatever I do here. Then it's just like a house with different rooms. Good. So you can have a house having 3 or 5 to 10 rooms inside the house. Nice. So clicking on the link here is the door to a room, and that door is called best. That room is called best hosted, and this is the door. If I click on it, it will take me to that room. So it will take me here. Good. So if we come back to our homepage, so this is our homepage. So on this our website, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 pages. Right now, if you visit, if you go to, let me give you the link here. So I've given you the link. Okay. Under contacts, yeah. Very good. That is it. This one on my screen now. So that is the contacts. This is it. As we go on, you will see how we set it up. Good. So you realize that because you know the domain, you are able to visit and you see this. Now, if somebody know your domain, if your domain is explained, like somebody know your domain, so when you start to build like this, you are able to, people are able to visit your website. So if a company asks you to build a website for them, then they give you the domain they want to use, then you got everything right and you set up. Then by the time you get to this section, if they try to see whether the website is on process going, they'll be able to see whatever is going on here right now. And when they come to home or even about services, they'll be seeing this. We are passionate with you. Go, they can see everything here. So there is a way of hiding whatever you are doing so that you alone can get access to the information here. But who? Until you are done building the website. So that's one of the first steps to take. It's one of the first steps to take when you start to build a website, so that you'll be able to hide your information until you are done building. So to go back to the back end of the website, that is the dashboard. You hover over the mouse here, the website name here, and you click on dashboard. You click on dashboard. Good. So we are here. Your website is almost ready. Don't worry. We don't need to listen to this one. Just close it. You see our dashboard is still clean. Now yeah, so we just click on the dashboard to exit from the view page and come back to the backend. So I want us to install a plugin. So you see, as we were talking, a plugin is like an app that extends the functionality of the website. So without a plugin, we can't hide the content on the website right now. Okay. All right. So we are going to install a plugin now. Okay. We'll be installing the plugin right now. So the plugin is to hide the content of our website so that visitors cannot see it until we are done building the website. So that plugin, we call it maintenance. The plugin is called maintenance, like maintenance, yeah. Yes. So let me go to plugins. You see plugins here. You click on add new plugin, or you can just click on plugins. It's two ways. Just click on plugin, or you select add new plugin straight, or just click on plugin. After that, you come here to the top here. You see the top left corner here. Click on add plugin. Then after that, the search box will show here. So you search for maintenance. So what look at it here, that is it. This is the plugin I was looking for. Now look at this one. Good. Maintenance. 1 million plus installation. So I was missing it. I was missing the E with an A. That was what is causing the problem. Yes, 1 million plus active installation. And they keep updating it so it can be working very well. So just 4 weeks ago they updated it. But look at something like this. They updated it 2 months ago. So maintenance, you install it, then activate. So when you install and activate it, you come down here. You see it here. Settings. Go to settings. Good. You see all these things that are here in different forms. Even though they also have their paid version, but this one, even the free version alone is enough. So when it can be a site and page title, very good. You see, the site is undergoing maintenance. So what is our page title? You see, all these things is good because when they come to the website, if it is about agriculture or digital agency, you put the page title here, so it will be shown on the platform. So what is our page about? Yes. Good. You can even use this. this one. So hair revamping and washing. Good. That's the page title. Then we scroll down. Headline. Maintenance mode is on. So what word will you like to use so that when people come, it will interest them, so they will not feel dull about it? You get it? Something like the best example, best hair revamping coming on board. You see, it creates the hair. It creates some curiosity and joy in the heart. Best coming on board, right? Okay. Yeah, so when we finish building the website, there's a way we just turn it off, so it will not show again. So this one is for the process of construction. Yes. Or to what we do is this. Coming soon. Good. Coming soon. Best hair revamping. Yeah, you know, yes. It, yes, that is it. So that's what you do. Then if you want, you put the description here. But it doesn't matter. Let's don't put it. Or it's also site will be available soon. Thank you for the patient. That's okay. That is in this time. So footer text. Copyright at 1 account 1925. This is fine. You see, it has been able to detect all about the website. So when you go down, you click on save changes. Good. So when you come here, scroll down. Your site logo, if you have a logo, you put it. Site logo height, you put a logo here. Yeah, if you don't have a site logo, yeah, if you don't have a site logo, no problem, you leave it. Then the thing you come and do is this background image. So this is the image I'll be showing to them. Like the other one we wanted to do and didn't come. So you delete this image and you upload your own image if you want. So this one, that is it. So you select. So this is the image that came up. So background image portrait mode. So upload, you can use the same thing. Page reloader image. So before the page reload, if it is maybe some network issue before page loads, you don't want it to be blur, so that's what they're asking for this image here. So you come to upload, you can use a different image or the same image. So let me see, what do we do? Let's use this thing. Background color. So you see, this is just some simple setups here. Background, the font size you even want to use. Open Sans is fine. It's a powerful font. So background color, you can select your background color here. What color do you like? Anyone? Okay. Let's pick this. So Open Sans, subsets, remembers, save changes. So when you come down, the Pro versions are there. So from all this place, that's the Pro. You see this in this Google Analytics. This is Google Analytics. And the purpose of this thing is to be able to track. If you set up Google Analytics and you come and insert your Google Analytics code or ID here, all the people that visit the website at the point it will be under construction, the code here will track all of them, where they are coming from, the country they are coming from, the sources they came through onto your website, whether they search and they came through Google, or they went to Facebook and click on your website and came, or whatever means they used to come. The Google Analytics will track all those data here for you, but we are not doing it right now. Yeah. Yes, and it's very necessary. Like, when you are starting an agency or a business, you broaden your coverage of publicity or advertising. You do Google advertising, that's Google Ads. Then you do Facebook and Instagram advertising. Sometimes you even do WhatsApp. You can do different things. TikTok, LinkedIn, you can do all of them. So when you do that, yeah, WhatsApp has to. From WhatsApp, you can connect your Facebook account and a lot of things. WhatsApp is integrated into online. So when you do all that, and then maybe you get 2,000 people that visited or that came, or 1,000 people that came and bought something on your website, or that got access to your service and come. If you don't have analytics, you won't know where they came from. So you won't know whether it's Facebook or Instagram. Excellent. Excellent. So that is a Google Analytics. So when you do that, let's say, and another thing is that if I spend 10,000 Ghana cedis and I give 5,000 Ghana cedis, let's say 2,000 Ghana cedis to each platform, maybe there are 5 platforms, then I give 2,000 to each platform. Then at the end of the day, I discovered that 100 people came and bought the website, and they are all coming from Instagram. Now, the next time we run another advert, I'll not do that. I'll not spread that amount of money to all of them. I'll decide to give 5,000 to only where the other one comes from more, so that I can spread the other remaining money to the other platforms. Good. So that is what the analytics does. It really helps a lot. So it helps in decision making for budgeting. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's fine. And it's good. It's really good. So let's go on. So, but before we can, insert this one on this platform plugin, we need to get advanced features. So it's pro. This one there we can add our Google Analytics. That one is free. But custom tracking pixel code, that one is pro. It's a pro feature. So there's a lot of pro feature, and we don't even need that. So we just click on save changes to it. We don't really need that. So now when we are done with it, so you see it's on now. You can see the button here, on. So if I turn it off, everybody can visit my website. But if I turn it on and click on save changes, so right now nobody can see my website again. So let me go to, okay, let me refresh and see. You see what is happening? Very good. Very good. Yeah. So even though they have the domain, but they cannot see the content of your website. Yes, site will be available soon. Thank you for your patience. Coming soon. Best hair revamping. You see, this is inspirational. You see that? And the website name is Mwamaka Online. It's A rather not E. My goodness, that was a mistake. I'll edit that. So let me just go back to it. Are we together? Okay. So that is how you set that up. So it's good. So that's one of the best things. I mean, the first things we do on our website when we begin to build it. Good. So if I turn it off, so if you turn it off, it not be affected until you click on Save Changes. So if you now refresh your website, you will see the information. You see it has come now. Good. So that is it. So it's always good to turn it on when you're constructing. But because this one nobody will have access to it, we can leave it off. So where next? This is my website. Let me fix it. Good. So that is for the maintenance. So let's do one other thing. Wow. Can you connect power? Can you connect power? Oh my goodness. Wow. So should we go on until it go off? I don't know. Or maybe we should continue later. Okay. All right. So okay, let's do one last thing since the battery is no more. So the last thing I want us to do is to add, to go to, now we have our website. If I go here, okay, we have our website. So how do we change the information inside the website? How do we change this picture here? How do we? Is my screen sharing? Okay. So to change that, you go to edit page. Go to edit page. You see this page here, you click on it. So that's the home page. So any of the page, you click on edit page. So just like yes, it's just opening. So the page we're on, when you log in, you will see on edit page. Because you are not logged in, you will not see on edit page. But because I am logged in, you see edit page. And this page editor is good, but I don't like it. This is the how do we call it? The default page editor for WordPress. But then I personally, most of the designers, we prefer something called Elementor. Elementor is a powerful editor, and it will give you a very nice, drag and drop and a lot of things. Even though you can still do everything here very nicely, but the Elementor gives you a more feel, and you enjoy it editing Elementor. So because of that, we'll go back. Yeah, leave page. We just go back. So we are back to the page. So as we come back here to the maintenance mode. We'll go to another add plugin. Appearance, plugins, add new plugin. Click on add plugin. So after clicking on that, you come here and click on Elementor. You see this thing here. Because I've used it already, that's why it's here. So you click on Elementor. And you see this one here, like with the E with this color on it. Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. Look at the installation. Yes. So you install it and activate it, and it just updated just 2 weeks ago. So they keep on to update so that. So and it's made by. It's by Elementor. It's the company called Elementor that made it. So you install it and activate it. So you activate it. So it will be on every page now. So if you now come to your website, Yes. So any page you want to go and edit, it will always be there for you to edit with. So right now, if you want to edit, you will not see it here now. But there are some of the pages you see it on the top here. You may see it, but even if you don't see it, don't worry. Just click on edit page. Click on the edit page again. After you click on edit page, it will open to the editor. Immediately it open, you see edit with Elementor. You see this one? You can now see it here. So you click on edit with Elementor. You click on no problem. So it's editing with Elementor. So the Elementor editor is opening the page. Nice. Just skip this, don't mind it. Nice. You can also skip here, don't mind it. So you see the same page is here. The same page is here. Everything is here. So, and you can edit. You can. It's very interesting. Elementor is very good. So when you come here, you can see everything here. So you can, if you click on the text here, you can start editing it from the left. Good. So this text like this. This text like this. Maybe you want to change this text. What do you want us to change it to? Hair cleaner and revamping. Will you like this? But this always used for digital stuff. Yes. What about this? It's just anything. Yes. That is it. Yes. So today I'll give you the access. So after this, before we meet again, you can enter and edit a lot of the things. So I'll just show you how to edit. So from here, so just like you change this one, so any of them you click, you can always change it at the left. So just like we click on this one, you change. You can even select it from here and start editing it also. You can just edit it from here, but mostly the official is to edit it from this side. And you see the picture here. You can delete the picture and bring another picture if you want. Yeah, I'll show you. So when you have done this, you click on publish. After changing anything finishing, you click on publish. Then it is published. So now you see that. So this website, the way they build it is, let with me, I will delete everything on the website and start with my own website. Yes, that's what I always do. Because I don't like the layout they picked. So the flexibility of editing bit by bit for each section is not there. So the first thing I will show you is this. You see that this is a container. From this thing, you see this thing here. When you click on it, it contains everything on the website. It contains the text, and this text alone is a box. This one alone, so this is a header box. Good. And here too is another header box. You can see this one here. If I right click here, I can delete what is over here. And you see that everything is gone. Because they didn't do it well. They just put all the information inside one container. separate container, so you can edit each container separately. Very good. So because of that, but when you delete something and it is a mistake, you didn't want it to delete and you delete, you just click on Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. You see it has come back. It has come back. Undoing, yes. So it will be, everything will come back. But if I want to delete everything. So for me, I'll prefer to delete everything and do the thing the way I want it. Yes. So right now, I'll delete this away because I don't like it. I don't like the frame they give us. I'll delete this one away and I'll click on Save Changes. So with this one, if I come to let me check it here on my. So all this is, if I refresh the website, they have to all disappear. You see that? It's all gone. Good. So let me show you. I just pray that your button will go off now. So now we are going to use our own cylinders, okay? Like our own containers, I mean. So to use, you see this, you see a container here. So if you click and hold and drag it, you can see that when I move up here, there is a blue line showing. Very good. You can release, then it has become a container. So do you want, you can, if you click on that container, look at here, you see minimum height. If you drag this, it's becoming big or small, whatever you want to put there. Very good. And most of the times on the home page we have something like a photo there. So do we want text or photo inside this container? So we want photo and text. So you click on image, drag image and drag it inside. That is one. You can add text also. So you see that all those things have disappeared. Those I will say image, container. Here, you see this black button here. I mean this white plus button here. Yes, that's add element. You click on it. So those things will come back. They are back again. So you can click on bold text. This is the header text, heading. And this is the text editor for information, but this is the heading. So you can click on hold on that and drag it inside. Then it will also come in. Good. Now, the image here, we don't just want it to be an image container, but we want an image inside. So when you click on the image inside, it will take you to content. And when you come inside, hover, choose image. The image we want to show on the home page. So we click on choose image. So we can choose any of the images here. If we don't, we can go to upload files. Go to upload files. I'm going to upload from where it is stored on your computer. Good. Just like this, if you go to upload file, it will open the computer. If it is here, it will take it. Then we click on OP. Then it will be uploaded. So when it's uploading, you see the name. Just like we explained, you put the all text. Good. So you put those text information there. Let's say salon. This is just an example. Good. So you just click on select, and then yes, please. Okay. Okay. Good. That's a good question. So when the alt text, largely it is supposed to communicate what that particular photo is about. Yeah, so maybe there is a place you are washing somebody's hair. then the alt text will be washing somebody's hair, washing either a customer or washing hair. You just write washing hair at your, and you can add your company name to it. Washing hair at Womaka Online. You can use at, not the at symbol, but at 80. You can use the 80. Washing hair at Womaka Online. Good. And when you go to a place, maybe you are cutting somebody's nails, you enter cutting nails at Womaka Online, or however you frame it. So that is the alt text. So by the time you do all those things, the Google is studying the type of things you are doing on your website. Okay, they are cutting nails here. Okay, they are washing hair here. Okay, they are painting lips here. Okay, they are shaving hair here. Okay, then Google will conclude that this website is a beauty and a salon. It's a personal care website. That's what they're talking of. Cutting nails, they're talking of washing hair, they're talking of painting this one. So Google will get the information that the website is about beauty. So when somebody begins to search for beauty salon, Google will recommend your website to them. Another thing is when you put the keyword inside, washing hair, washing hair, washing hair. So when somebody search for washing hair, Google have already seen you write washing hair in your website. Google will recommend it to them. Yeah. So that is how it works. So now that I've put this image here, I want to click on publish. Then you can add a text here. Oh my goodness. So now that I've clicked here, you see the cursor is blinking. So I can just delete and edit. Or as I am deleting, you watch here also, this place. It's also deleting. So just watch there and see. So that is it. So let me just enter anything. Revamping. It's just an example. So you can edit these things later on. So with that, you click on publish. Wow. Okay, so we've gone a long way short. So let me refresh the page. Let's see what it is. So now before when you refresh, you see what happens. So this is not a good design. It's just an example. We'll edit a lot of them. We'll edit. When you click on this, you now see that the container, this thing here, this container here, it is ending here. You can see the thin blue, violet line. So the container ends there. So I can now adjust the container. If you come to advanced, then, oh, this one is too much. I can't show you all of it. I have to pause so that later we continue. Yes. So let me see how, if I can add you to. So when you are done editing in Elementor, the way to exit from there is to just copy this way, highlight this way until you reach to the .com/. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Good. When you get here, you just delete all this one away. Then click on enter. So it will exit from the editor. Yes. Okay. Have a wonderful day.